So how has your life changed since you've been in the field now?
Oh man, just being able to sleep home. I
Mhm.
really slept at home. Like seriously, my wife and my daughter. I slept at home like maybe one day a week because I had to do my full-time overnight job and my day job. Now I'm home every day, and then like I'm making more than I was making working more than 100 hours, just working 40 hours. I'm making more than that. Like it's like a dream come true. It's unbelievable. And like everybody's happy. My family is happy. My daughter is happy, and I kind of encouraged my daughter. She wanted to do like, she had she's gonna join college next year, and she was talking about doing microbiology, big names. But now all she's talking about is IT, like data analysis. That's what she wanna do, and it's been different. It's good. Like our life has improved. We're able to afford, more things, pay our bills without struggling. We are planning
What's your
to.
biggest purchase? What's your biggest purchase so far?
Well, I bought myself a BMW, a brand new BMW, which now is my daughter's because once she turned 17, and since I'm working from home, she's like, Dad, the car is just outside. Let me. So she drives it to school and to her other things, and we are planning to move to a bigger house so I can have a better and bigger office.